Hello, my friends! This right here is to flush the toilet with. This one right here is broken, so basically what happens is it goes to flush, and it seems to catch right there, and the water keeps going, and what happens is it's wasting water. So I have this one right here, I want to go ahead and throw it on. Basically what happens, I want to go ahead and show you how to...
Now we have to put water in, and then this one has water in it.
I gotta stick this one in. So I want to kind of see, this goes in, there's this part, and you basically put it on.
This, hold this, plug in, and it goes like this. Oh, I know it's running.
Take this top off right here.
It's running water.
You want to show them what it looks like in here?
It's running water.
It's running water. Okay, so here we go. I gotta take this and loosen this right here. Hold on, bro. 1 second, bro. I gotta do it hold on. I just basically have to loosen it. And once it's loosened, I can probably use my fingers.
I was wasting water.
Hold on, bro. Let's just let it do its thing here. All right. So I'm taking that off, and then I need to take this off right here. So I take that off, take this off, and there we go.
I'll put that one on.
So I want to go ahead and put this one on. Take this off.
Yes, I saw of that water is
All right, watch out, bro.
It's running out.
So here we go. It's important to have a toilet that works, right, Kendall?
It's loose.
Yeah, okay. Basically come here, and then screw this on. Hold on. Hold on, man.
That's running water down. You have to put my water in.
And if it's running, you got to catch it, right?
We had to put my water in.
So, my friends, what's the tricky part, okay, is, hold on, I don't want you to have that tool right here, okay? The tricky part is to have it enough, you don't want the chain to get caught, like, underneath this thing, because then it might be, like, running and running. So, when it's here, like, right here, it needs...
what's that whistle thing on your water?
Oh, hold on 1 second, alright?
You touching that water.
Okay, so it needs to be enough so it can, like, rest down and then pull up, alright?
Dad, we poop.
Alright, let's not talk about this. Let's not talk about this right now. Alright? Okay, so let's go ahead and like put this here. Oh, whoa! Okay, so right here you can see the chain has well, let's give it a second, okay? No, Daddy needs the water to fill up, alright?
Okay.
So the chain
put the water in.
So the chain looks like it has a little too much slack, so what I need to do is probably adjust it a little bit because it's down a little too far. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead, take this off right now, and I'm going to put it down on a higher, I'm going to put it down a little bit lower on the chain just to take up some of that slack.
Yep.
Is that right, Kendall? Hold on, bro. You got this? So now I have like a little bit extra. Now let's go ahead and take this here and slide this over here. Now let's let it see what happens. Okay, now it's like a little bit, but it should be good.
Now let's do water in.
Hold on, my friend. Listen, let's let it fill up, okay? And once it fills up, whoa, let me have it there. Basically, what I want to do is I want to flush it, and this can you move your head, bro? Okay. Alright, don't do that, bro. So I need to flush it and just make sure that it actually...
Now let's do water in. Water in.
Hold on, my friend. Okay. Hold on. Let me go ahead and tighten this. Just don't touch this, alright? I can probably just go ahead and tighten this down. You don't want to get super serious, and this is probably like a ceramic or something, so be careful like metal tools. If you have like hammers and stuff, probably not a good thing to be banging on here. Hold on 1 second, okay? So it's almost full. Oh, hold on, bro. Let me have this. All right. You really like tools, don't you?
I need that tool.
I'm like concerned about you having tools and stuff sometimes.
I have that.
But I'm scared.
I need.
No, what?
I can't drop.
Okay. Listen, will you flush the toilet for me gently and see what happens? Let's see if it goes. Go ahead. I know you don't need to hold it down. Let's just see if it falls down. You don't need to do that. Let's see if it falls. So if this is sticking up too high, hold on. I could probably cut the end of this off if I needed to. If it sticks up too high when the lid is on. So I may make some adjustments later in the future. Let's see. But that's pretty much how to. What's up? That's pretty much how to install it right now, my friends.
Get water in now. There we have no toilet.
All right. So my friends, that's how to do it. Love y'all. You're amazing. Thank you all so much for being here. I might leave a link, affiliate link in the description.
I need that, Daddy.
I'm scared.
I want to take it. I said, pinch all bugs. Then we won't have mosquitoes.
You're gonna kill the mosquitoes with this?
Mm-hmm.
What with this?
Oh,
You're gonna pinch the mosquitoes with this. Okay. Alright, my friends, I love y'all. You're amazing. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please give a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And I may do an Amazon affiliate link. If you click on it, I make a commission at no extra cost to you. Love y'all. Bye.